Now, evaluating your project can be a bit of a tricky beast, and I'll tell you why. Because sometimes you don't want to know the answer. You know, like you've run this great festival, you think it's great, do you really want to find out that maybe it wasn't as great as you thought it was? And so it can be really, really tricky. And more importantly, do you want to tell your funding body that it wasn't as good as you thought it was? And so thinking about evaluation really, really carefully is important. And I'll tell you why. Because while you might find out that your project is amazing, okay, that might be the outcome of your evaluation. Far more important than deciding whether it's amazing or not amazing is finding out how to improve it. Okay, and that's the absolute heart of evaluation. It's not about saying you did a good job or a bad job. It's about getting enough information to say, if we do this, 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 and this, that we will actually improve the outcomes of it. Now, it does come with a risk. You know, I've asked for evaluation strategies for to create evaluation strategies. My first question is, do you want to know the answer? Because sometimes when we ask for an evaluation strategy, what we actually want to know is just what we want is proof that we're doing a good thing. And sometimes it doesn't show that up. So I'm going to give you some principles in this module about approaches to evaluation and a way to evaluate that will give you a really rich set of information about how to improve it. But it will also, on the way through, give you some data to verify whether you're making an impact or not. And let's face it, if you're not making an impact, then you kind of want to change it anyway. So there's no point finding out that you're amazing in your evaluation if in reality you're not. But most importantly, don't forget that the key purpose of your evaluation, of community evaluation, is about how do we improve what we do. And in order to do that, you need to ask yourself the honest questions as to whether your project is actually achieving the objectives that you set. See, you knew I was going to bring goals up again. That's where we're going to start. Let's get into it.